Hello everyone, my name is Abdullah Nahian and welcome to my channel Code with Abdullah Nahian. Today we are going to make a new website. So our today topic is business website. So in this video I will show you step by step how to make an awesome business website for your next business from scratch using Elementor or free version theme and plugins. So let's start. So before we start we have to check our demo site. So first we have a header top section, email, phone number, social icon. Then we have a logo part. Then our menu, we have total 6 pages: home page, about us, services, teams, testimonials, contact. Then we have banner section. We have a subheading, heading, paragraph, and this text. Then we have a about us section like our mission, vision, history. Then we have a services section like this. Then we have a why chose charge section. Here we have a accordion. Then we have a client section will be these 3 static images, content and image and their name with designation. Then we have a team section part. Then we have a counter section. Then we have our case studies or works part. Then we have a blog section. Then we have a team part, our client part, our footer part, and this is our site. Now go to about us page. This is our about us page here. Then we have our services page. Then we have a teams page. Then we have a testimonials page. And finally we have a contact page. So basically this is our overview of our project. So let's start. So for start this project, I already installed WordPress in my local host, blank WordPress, nothing else. So we have to install everything from scratch. So first we have to go appearance and then themes. Go to here, add new theme and search for hello. Or by default it will show here because it is popular theme. And we have hello. Okay, we come back to here popular and click on install this hello Elementor theme. And in time we go to plugins and install plugins, and here we can click add new. We need Elementor page builder. Then we have need elements kit and for form WP forms. And here we can install it now. Okay. So I already installed and activate Hello Elementor theme. Now go to plugins and already I installed Elementor page builder free version, elements kit lite for support add-ons, and W forms for form part, and that's all for this project. So I just click check all and click here activate and click on apply. So we have installed and activate all plugins. Now we have to create our all pages first and menu part. So this done. Now go to here. First we have to go to here pages, and from here pages we have 6 pages. So I create 6 new tab, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So first page is our home page. So just write here home and click publish. Then we have about us, click on publish. And then we have like services, teams, services. Then we have a teams part section page, testimonials, and finally contact us. Click on publish. So all pages created done. Okay, that's fine. Now go to here settings, then general. We can site title like business website, year, like which one, for business. Okay, then we have time zone. As I am from Bangladesh, so I select UTC +6, and date format. Okay, fine. We start from Sunday. Click save changes. Now go to here reading, and from here we can choose static page. Home page will be our home. Click save changes. Now go to permalinks. Post and selected. If don't select it, please select here and click again save changes. Okay, now go to appearance and menus part. So we have created a main menu, and this menu display location header part, create menu. Okay, created. Now click on view all, home page, about us, contact us, services, teams, testimonials. Add to menu, and after home, about us, contact us, move to bottom, and then we have before services, team, testimonial, contact us. That's perfect. So we create our pages. Now we have to create our header and footer part. Now go to here, elements kit, and create header footer. So first we have to set in this part. We have basic, recommended. Okay, and we can check uncheck widgets if don't need all. So I think default is okay for me now. Now go to next step. Here click next step and click next and next. Now click on next. Now save changes. That's perfect. Now again click on header footer. Click on add new template. So we can just write here like header. Type header or footer. We have type header. Conditional enter site. We have need enter site. Click on activate and save changes. Now click on edit and edit content. So before we start work, we have to run our general settings like font family, like color, etc. So first here we go to our size settings and global colors. So we can copy from color here. This will be our primary color. So we can copy from here. This one. Okay, and copy color code. This will be our primary color. Okay, and our secondary color, which will be secondary color, we can choose from here, or we can color from pick this one. So secondary color will be this one. Now we chose our text color. So we can choose our text color. This one, and click here. Accent color, most probably white is yes, white. So change to white color. We can add more color. So first we need to white color. So from here we change white color. Okay, add more color. Like we have a background color. If you check here, this is two background color. Yes, this one. So we can color this big one, this one. So write this like background 1 and color code this one, and we need another color like this color. So we can copy this color from here and another color like background 2, color paste color. Okay, and anything color remains, I think is okay now. Now we have to choose our font family. So I can choose here. This will be our main font, shiny. So go to here, save changes, click here. Back to then global fonts. We can choose font family like shiny. Okay, our secondary will be same. And will be our, if you check another font like our paragraph. Paragraph will be like Hivo. Okay, so from here we can choose Hivo font, and this will be like shiny. Okay, now click save changes. Back to editor. So first we have our header part, this one like this. So from here we can choose We have need two equal column and align item center, and go to style and change color to, we have choose our background one. So from here we can choose list and drag and drop here. Okay, and this will be a social icon, so search for social icons and paste here. Okay, now click here, go to inline, and first we need to this text here, and change icon like envelope, and we can write here like mail to. Okay, then we have our phone number, search for font icon, and here write like tell, remove all space or hyphen, and then remove this. Go to here style, change color to icon color to our white color, and go to here text, we can choose from here color to white color. That's fine. And here font weight we can choose 500, and here one thing missing, our phone number, we can copy from here, this one, 1 2 3, then hyphen 4 5 6 7 8, then hyphen. Okay, now click here, we need to this icon right side, and go to style, and we can choose content and choose the icon. Okay, from here we can choose color. Okay, this color you can get color from here, Facebook. Click here and then change color to like white color or accent color. Hover color will be like our primary color, and background type we can choose background one. Okay, fine. Now go to Twitter and change color to our primary, and background color need background hover, then change color to background one. Then we have a LinkedIn, and change here normal color normal color text white color accent color, and from hover we can choose to background one. Same for Twitter, change color to accent color, background one primary, and normal state we can choose color to accent color. That's perfect. Now click here and go to advanced and remove all padding. Okay, that's fine. Click on publish and click on preview changes. So our header part is till now. Okay, now we have this icon, logo, and this menu. So click here, and from here we can choose this item and align item center, and from here style we can choose background type, background color, background one. So we need a inner container, so here inside this, and duplicate this part. So from this column we can choose row horizontal. Okay, plus here we need a image part, so just drag and drop here, or we can do another part. Yes, I think this will be okay. If you don't use any column, just drag and drop image, upload. So I have collected all image, so from here desktop and business, so I collect from all images from here and upload, open. So this is our icon, so click here and select, and then we can add a heading. So after this icon, okay, so we can choose, this will be like p tag, and our will be creative business. So copy from here and paste here. So from this column we can choose align item center. Perfect. So click here, go to color, we can choose accent color. Okay, and font weight like 600, like 22 pixel or 24. And from this column, if you have any link option, okay, then we have a menu part. So search for menu, elements get left menu, just drag and drop here, select menu, main menu. Okay, go to style part and here we can choose like 30. Okay, and here from menu item style, from here we can choose horizontal option, right, go to style, and then menu item style we can choose like not secondary accent, color like accent color. Okay, and here font weight 500, that's perfect. Font size like 18 pixel, and from here we can choose item spacing and right left side like 20 pixel, 25. Okay, that's perfect. Now we have a border option, no need, and click on publish. Now we have to do another part. Go to settings and general, and we can choose site icon, and we can choose this one, set icon, and crop image. Okay, and click on publish, save changes. Okay, that's perfect. If we refresh the page, yes, nicely done. So our header part done. Okay, and now here hover option, go to style part, and here we can menu item style and change here menu item style, typography, accent. Okay, sorry, line height 22 pixel, sorry, 18 pixel. Okay, perfect. Now here hover effect we can choose like primary color, and active color we can choose primary color. Okay, publish and check. Okay, now we have to done our footer part. So for footer, this will be show on all pages and this part. So we can remove header and go to here elements kit and header footer builder. Now new tab, add new template. We can rename this like footer. Footer, enter site, activate, save changes. Click on edit, edit content. Then we can search for image carousel, search for image carousel. Then click on add image, and we have this image 1 2 this not 3 4 5. Okay, create new gallery, insert gallery. Okay, now we have two options, slide to show like 5, slide to scroll 1, image test no, no dots or needs. Okay, so none. And from here edition options, anything, lazy load. Okay, that's perfect. Go to style here, vertical and middle. Okay, and from here advanced part we can choose like padding top 60 pixel 50 and bottom 50. That's perfect. Publish. Now we have this part, we have 4 columns. So for this we can add equal column. So we have 4 columns. Style, background color, we have background 1. Okay, go to advanced and padding like top 80 pixel or 60 pixel, bottom 60. Now add a heading part. So search for heading, and we have like H4, change color to white color, and text will be like about us. Click here, content, and here. So click here and go to style, font size we can choose like 22 pixel or 26. So copy from here and paste, then paste, again paste. Now we need a text editor. Search for text editor and paste here. So from here we can copy this text from here and paste. Go to style and change color to white color. Okay, and font size like 17 pixel. Okay, now we need this type list. So from here we can choose for list, icon list, drag and drop here. So we don't need any icon, so just remove this part, and from here we can choose like user experience for dummy purpose. Then we have this text, and then we have web security. Then we have interface design. Duplicate this, Then we have a interaction design, and all have link. So just for now add hashtag, so link will be active now. Then this one, and finally this one. Go to style part and change text color to our white color, and from here we can choose font weight. We can here accent and font size like 18 pixel, 17. List we can increase size, space between like 10 pixel. Okay, and change here text, and we have hover color. Hover color change to our primary color. Okay, now copy this part and paste here. So our text will be like services. Then we have company, and finally followers. So search for social icons, and we can elements kit social icons. Okay, and we can choose both text and icon, and element left, and icon position before perfect. You can add more item as your wish, and we can choose another one like WhatsApp. Okay, now go to style, and from here display block, alignment left. Then go to here border radius, padding, typography. We can choose for accent, and highest color. Okay, we have to choose color from here, and from here we can choose like our accent color, and hover color we can choose like primary, and background color we don't need, so we can choose background one. Okay, now for second part we can choose here normal color like accent, and when hover change color to our background one, and here we can choose background one. Sorry, color will be primary. Then for third part we can choose here color like our white, and from hover we can choose like primary, and here color change to our background one. Perfect. And lastly we have another one. We can change text to like WhatsApp, and color change to our accent color, and hover we can choose color to our primary, and background type background one. That's nice. Now our final part for footer, this copyright section. So here we can just for now we can separate this part, two column, align item center, background we can choose like background color will be our background one. So from here we can choose a heading and change to p tag. Copy this text from here, paste here, and change, and copy. We can search for list. We have two pages, terms and condition. Like we don't need link here, so we can remove this part, and from here we can just write here terms and conditions, add hashtag. Now duplicate this part like disclaimer, and third we can add privacy policy. Okay, go to style, and here we can choose inline. Go to style part, right align, text color we can choose to color accent color. Okay, and typography we have from here we can choose accent. Okay, and from here color we can choose hover color, primary color, and we can choose here style, and from here divider on. Okay, and from here we can choose color to our white color. Now click on publish, and if you remove this part and go to our main site, so our common header footer done, and it's already routed. Now we are going to make our home page. So from go to dashboard and pages, and create a home page. So create this page on, click on edit page, and then click on edit with Elementor. So from here page settings, and we can check page layout to Elementor full width. Okay, fine. So first we have a banner section and we have equal to column. So first click here and two column, and we can choose vertical and middles. Go to style and choose background color to background 1, and at the right side we need a image, so just click here and we have this image like this one, select. Okay, now we have this text, so click copy from this text from here and plus icon and text. So from here we can choose to color. We can choose to color will be our white color. Go to style and we can choose font weight like 500, font size like 16 pixel. Go to advanced, inline, sorry, full width or inline, custom like we can choose pixel like 120 pixel, 160. Go to border and we can choose default solid and 1 pixel and choose color like white color. Sorry, not white, we can choose our background 1 and click here. We can choose color to our background 2. Okay, and from here we can advance. We can choose padding like top 20 and bottom 10, sorry, top 10 bottom 10, and go to style, text and center. From advanced we can go to here border radius like 9 pixel. That's perfect. Now here we can copy this text from here and we can choose a heading and we can tag h1 and paste here. Go to style, change color to white color and font weight 700 and text transform, capitalize and increase font size like 55 and line height like 65. Then we have this text, so copy this from here and we can need a heading. So from here we can choose like p tag and paste here. Go to style, we can choose color like white color, font size, font weight like 500, font size like 18 pixel, line height 27 pixel, or increase more like 22 pixel, 22 and line height 32, and click here. Go to advanced and choose order, so border solid. We need only border left like 3 pixel and color change to our primary color. Okay, from layout and padding we can choose padding left 30 pixel or 25, and from here we can choose padding. Go to advanced, padding top like 50 pixel and bottom like 80 pixel. Click on publish and click on preview. So our this part is done. Okay, now we have this part, our about section. So this is our section title and this part. Okay, so from here we can choose here, we can choose this part. Okay, go to advanced and padding like top 80 pixel and bottom 80 pixel, and here we can remove this part and click here with like 100%, and we need inner container. So inside this we can choose duplicate, and parent container we can direction row. Okay, then we need this part, so we can copy this part from here, and then we have this heading. We can charge for heading, just paste here and change text to h4 and this text. So plus icon, we can choose a heading and change text to like paragraph tag and paste here. So from this parent container we can choose align the center and margin bottom like 60 pixel. So click here style and go to here text color. We can choose like text. Go to advanced and we can choose border, and border color change to our text, and text to be like about us. So click here about us. We can increase like 120 pixel. Okay, fine. Click here, go to style and change to text color, and font size like 22 pixel and increase more 40 pixel, and here we can choose text transform like capitalize. From here we can choose style and change color to our text color, font size like 22 pixel, line height 32 pixel, and font weight 500. Yes, and this container we can choose advanced and go to here style and choose our border, border solid, and unlink this value and border left like 3 pixel and change color to primary color. That's fine. Click on publish and see here. Yes, this is perfect. And we need few spaces, so from here advanced and we can padding like left 30 pixel. Now we need this image, so for here we can add a image, so just drag and drop here, and we need about images, this one, this about image, and here we need this icon box, so search for icon box. So we can choose one, go to stack, and here we can choose top left. Yes, now we can change to a size, so icon size we can like 15 pixel. Go to content, we can choose color like secondary color, font weight 600, that's fine, and font size like 22 pixel. Okay, line height 32 pixel. From box we can spacing like 5 pixel, content spacing like 5 pixel. Okay, and go to advanced, and from here border we need border bottom only, so uncheck this value and like 1 pixel, and colors change to our background one. We can choose color to like #D. Uncheck this value. Okay, and go to here advanced layout, we can choose padding layout like 20 pixel and margin bottom like 20 pixel. Sorry, we don't need margin bottom. Yes, so we can duplicate this part 2 times, 3 times. So from here we can choose our mission, so click here and change our mission. Then we have our mission, then we have our history. Okay, and this will be our common text, so I can copy this from here and click here and paste, then paste, and then paste. Then we have our user icon, so click here, we can choose for user, so we can choose for here user icon from this one or user. Then we have our like file, those for example purpose, like file, this will be like this one, or we can choose this file too. And finally we have our history, so we can choose something like rewind, and we have to check something like this. For example, for now we can choose this icon. From here we have to increase our heading size, so go to heading 24. Yes, copy and paste style and paste style. That's perfect. Now here this one we can choose from advanced align cell center. Okay, that's perfect. click publish. So our this part is done now. Then we have our service section and same like this part. So we can duplicate this section from here. Duplicate. Okay. And here. Okay. Here we can use padding top. Sorry, not left, padding bottom. So from here we can choose go to advanced, not left, we need padding bottom. So from this section we need to style change color. So from here we can choose background 2. Okay. So from here we can choose services. Then we have this text. Okay, we have to increase more size, I think. So from here we can like 45 and line height 55. Yes. Now copy this part and font weight 700. Copy style and paste style. 45 or we think 40 is better. Sorry. Yes, 40 is better, and line height like 50. Copy and paste style. Okay, and from here this text is perfect. Now we need here total our 6 columns. Okay, so from here like 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can remove this part from here, delete this part, delete. Now delete here. Okay, and here we can choose like 30%, 33.33. Copy. Now this one and click here with. Then here we can choose. Then click here. Then click here. And finally click here. Okay, and now we have need a inner section because we need this part read more, because we have only icon box or image box without button. So for this we can add a container, and here we can choose icon box. So search for icon box and add a button here. So from here we can choose like button. So this container we can choose advanced, style, background color white, advanced we can choose 20 pixel padding. So from here we can choose style, align icons left, spacing, and here icon size 25, and content. Okay, and we can choose for example user experience design. Click here and content, and then here this text, and our button we can choose here read more. Okay, so we can just click here. We need this icon like tower something. Yes, broadcasting. Okay, so first we have to done this part. So click here, style, go to icon. Okay, content, change to like color, secondary color, and font size we can choose like 22 pixel, 24, 22. Okay, and then we have our typography is text. Okay, we can choose like font size 18 pixel, 17, and line height like 25. Okay, now click here our remove button. From here we can change accent. Okay, and from here we can choose color to our accent color. Sorry, not accent, actually it will be our text color. And here we don't need any padding, so remove 0. And from here hover we can choose color to our primary color. Okay, that's fine. So copy this part from here and paste, then again. Okay, fine. Now we have a border. So from this here we can choose border. So we can go to style and border. We can choose border solid 1 pixel and change color to our background color, or we can choose like something F4 F4 F4. Let's check. Yes. So from copy from here and paste style, paste style, paste style, paste style, and again paste style. Now we have to do this digital marketing. So copy this text from here and just paste. So from here we can search for like heart, heart. We can choose for now heart shape, this one or this one. Now we have this branding. We can choose like file, for some example like file add. Then we have our product development. Click here, then search for code. We can choose this icon, or code. We have this icon. Then we have our advertising and marketing. Then search for volume, and finally we have web security. Copy from here, and here we can search for globe like this one and paste. Okay, that's perfect. We can increase our font size something like 24 pixel. Yes. So copy from here and paste style, paste style, paste style, paste style, paste style, and we can choose for this like. Okay, now this is perfect. Now click on publish. So our about section, now service part is done. Okay, that's great. Now our next section is why ask section. This is like same section heading and this part. So we can duplicate or copy this part. Yes. So just copy from here, and then after here we can just paste. Okay. So first we can change our text. So here, not about us, why us, why chose creative business. Just paste here and add a break tag. The same. Okay. Then we have remove this part, and add a accordion, this one, and at the right side we have an image. So from here plus icon and add image, and from here we can choose which image, this one. Go to style and with 100% and border radius like 12 pixel. Okay. So from here we can choose style, and background type we can choose color to our background one. So from here we can choose color like white color, and advanced we can choose border white color. From here white, and this one white. Okay, and like this part. So from here we have to choose this text. All paragraph is same. So from here we can click here. Then we have our second part. Then we have our third part. And we have 4 items. So we can duplicate this part. So copy this from here and click here and paste. Now this text copy. Then we have this copy. Now this one. So from here we have icon change. So here go to here style primary or curve shape. So we have normal is okay, and icon, and we can choose left side, and from here we can choose down. We can here this arrow, and for up, and we can choose this arrow. Okay, that's great. Now go to here style part and change typography to primary, and from open is color, background color, description, this color, background type color, we can choose to our transparent color. Okay, and color change to white color, sorry, not white, transparent, text color to white color. Padding 0. Go to here description, we have text color to white color. Okay, padding 0 or increase like then we have top 0, bottom 0. So we can add top 10 pixel and bottom 10 pixel, like 15, and here 15. Okay, now we have a title. Go to here title and close, this means not active, and here background type we can choose transparent color, and color change to white color. Okay, and here icon color we can change to color to our primary color, and close color like to primary color. Okay, now click on publish, and here demo. Okay, nice. So our this part is done now, and we can increase our font size more. Go to title here, and font typography we can choose font size like 22 pixel or 20 pixel, and from here description we can choose like 18 pixel. Description is not working anyhow there. Okay, fine. And content spacing is any. Go to style, title, border, margin, bottom, like 25. Okay, that's great. Now click on publish. So all this part is done now. Okay, then we have our testimonial section. So for this we can copy this this part from here and paste here. Now first we have this testimonial text, so copy from here and paste. Okay, and go to style, text transform, uppercase, and advanced, and we can choose like width like 140 pixel. Then we have what client say about us, so copy, click here and paste, and add a break tag. Now we can remove this column, remove this image, and from here we can choose like 100%. Search for testimonials, and just drag and drop here. Okay, sorry, we can don't repeat it, we can normal testimonial, so we can just duplicate this part. Okay, remove this, remove this, remove this, and remove this part and duplicate. And here we can search for 33.33. Click here and click here. So search for testimonials, this one. So copy from here and paste and paste. And here we have an icon. So for this, okay, so we need actually inner column, so another column. then search for icon, and then we need testimonials, or copy this part from here and paste. Okay, duplicate this part and so remove this part. So we can copy from here and paste. So from here we can inner column, go to style, background color, like we have our background 2, go to advanced, padding like 15 pixel, and here we can choose for code this icon. Then we have this text, click here and paste, click here, paste, click here and paste. So from here we can choose our client, this one, like one, then click here, and then finally click here. And from here we can go to advanced and style, then border like solid, border bottom like 3 pixel, and color change to our primary color. Okay, now click here, go to style, we can go to image and solid, we can choose 1 pixel primary color. Okay, that's fine. And here go to here our name, actually content, font size we can choose like 17 pixel or 18, line height 27 pixel. Okay, now copy from here, paste style, and now copy this container and paste style and paste style. So all this part is done now. Now we have our theme section. So for theme section we have column, and we can duplicate this part and go to advanced, so site style and background type, change to our background one color, and we have repeat one column, 4 column needs. So we can remove this column, this one, and remove this part and remove this. So from here we need to width like 25%, so just here 25%, click here, 25, 25, 25. So we need our theme. We can search for image box, so just drag and drop here. So copy from here, copy this part and paste, then paste, and then paste. So from here we can choose image, so our team member like team 1, click here, team 2, click here, team 3, and finally click here, team 4. Okay, now place our name like Patrick Foster. Then we have this one, then we have this part, then finally this part. So first one we have this founder, director, then this one, then this manager, and finally this media manager. Click here, style, and choose to image. From image we can choose with 100%. Okay, and then we have a image border type solid, we can choose 1 pixel primary color. We can need border radius like 18, 20 pixel. Okay, now go to content. So from here content color change to our secondary color, and font size like we have 22 pixel, 22, 24 now. And here box we can spacing like image 0 and content like 5. From content we can choose like font weight 500. So copy from here and paste style, paste style, paste style. Okay, and click here. We have to change this image, this third image. So click on publish. So our team section testimonial, then our team section is done now. So now we, after team section done, so we have to our next section. So our next will be our counter up section. So for this we can click a plus icon, and inside this we have first inner section, and then we have to click add container and add for duplicate this, then another container and duplicate 4 times, 2, 3 and 4. And parent section we have to choose direction row. Okay, and from here we can search for counter. So just counter, drag and drop here. Okay, copy from here and paste and paste. So from here we have the count is covered 90 plus. So click here and we can just write here, and here 90 and suffix plus. Then we have a success rate 100%. So click here and we can just write here percentage and just replace. Project completed 150 plus. So just click here and then clients 200 plus. Okay, and parent section, and we have this background color. Okay, so this parent we can choose style and go to here we can choose background color white. Okay, so from here we can go to here and icon number color change to our secondary color, and from here font size at 22 pixel and increase more like 65 and font weight 700. Okay, and I think this okay, and from here we can choose this here padding advanced, like padding top 60 pixel and bottom 60. Okay, and advanced here we can choose go to style, and here border radius like 50 pixel like 64 now, and from here section we can choose margin top minus for now we have like 60 pixel 70, and from team section we can increase padding like 160 double size. Okay, now we can increase more. Okay, I think 120 is perfect. So from here section we can choose 180. Now this okay, just click on publish and preview the page. Okay, that's perfect, and we can add a border. So from here style we can border, we can choose border solid 2 pixel, and we have primary color. Okay, that's nice. Click on publish. Okay, it's nicely done now. Okay, yes. Oh yes, we have to copy this style and paste style, and paste style. Now we have a work status this type, so we can copy from here this one. So just right click, copy and paste, and from here we can add advanced and put in top like 180 pixel, and from here we can add margin top. We can here $160. Okay, for now, and this section we have Z index. Okay, we can like 110 110 pixel for equal balance 110, and we can increase padding more 10 like 90. Okay, and from here edit container, and we can choose like 180 top and more like 240, and here we can just only 80. Okay, done. So we can just duplicate this column, and from here we can just change to width 33.33%. so 33.33%, and from here we can choose and change to 33.33, and from here we get 33.33. so remove this part, and remove this part. Okay, so we have need works for this text, so click here, and from here we can choose case studies, and from here we have image box, so search for image box, copy paste, just copy and paste and paste. So for first image we can choose our studies one, this one case block, this block case study 1. From here we can choose like case study 2, and finally for 3 we can choose this image, not this image, case study 3. Okay, fine. And for text we can choose this, copy from here, click and paste here, and copy this text from here. Now we have this part, second part, click here, and from here we can choose this one, and finally this part, click here and copy from here and paste. Okay, fine. So go to here, style, and first we need to image with 100%. Okay, content. Now click here and go to style, and we have an element left. Okay, and image content, go to here, we can choose white color, and font size is okay, like 22 pixel, that's fine, 24, and description we can choose to our white color, and here is fine. Now go to box, and here we can choose spacing like 5 and content like 5. So copy from style and paste style and paste style. So this part is done. Now click on publish. So our this is okay now. So then we have our block section. Okay, so for block we have to create our block part. So here we go to post. So currently we have only one post, so for this part I create few dummy posts, 1 2 3. So from here we can choose post title like this one, this post title, and this for excerpt. So copy this from here, add feature image, and we have our blog image is blog 2, blog 1, then add excerpt, paste and publish. Then this is our excerpt, we can paste here, and this is our excerpt, paste here. So our second image, copy from here, and here set feature image, blog 2 and publish. Okay, then we have this text, paste here, set feature image, blog 3, click on set feature image and publish. So we created our blog 3 blog post, that's perfect. Remove this part, and for this we can copy this our this part. Okay, and here we can just paste. So first we have section, this blocks, blocks part. Then we have a latest block and articles, and click here, and we need a break tag br slash. Okay, and we can remove this column. Actually we need one column, so remove all, then remove this part, and remove. So search for post, blog post, drag and drop here, and here we can choose total 100%. So click here, and here query total blog post count 1. Okay, layout blog with thumb. Okay, that's perfect. And metadata, we can choose our meta and floating date. Okay, readme button is disable. Okay, it's not working anyhow. Go to style, background type, we can choose our white color. Okay, and here content radius, content type, feature image. Okay, meta, we can choose to meta text primary. Okay, and we have our floating date. From floating date we can choose our primary, and here typography primary, and here we can choose our background color, we can choose our primary color. Okay, fine. Now go to title, we can choose to title to our primary, and color change to our secondary color. Okay, and here sorry, don't shadow, font size like 12 pixel, like 18, and change to 500. Okay, and wrapper, we can here container padding and margin and content padding like 15 pixel. Okay, now content, we can choose color to our text color, and title we have to decrease margin. Okay, and bottom like 10 and top 10. Okay, now content we can choose to our text. Okay, now button, from here we can padding 0, typography will be our accent, and here we have background type, and we can choose to our transparent color, and color change to our secondary color. Okay, that's perfect. Now this part is done. Click on publish and change. Yes, it's done now. So for home page we have lost this part, so for this we can add 2 columns. So from here we can add 2 columns, then content with full width. So and go to here, and we can remove all padding. So click here, go to style and need image, so we can choose for this image, select, then background position center, display size cover, and here we need this part. So from copy this part from here, paste, and first we have to color, add style and background 1. Okay, then we need to copy this color, copy this from here, and then this our section, this part, paste, and finally we need a button. Why we use any button here? Okay, we don't need any button. So from here we can advance and padding like 25 pixel, 30, and from text from here, copy from here and click here and paste, and from here we can add a button. So plus here, and we can add a button, we can choose like read more. Go to style and typography. Okay, background color, change color to primary. Okay, that's perfect. And from here we can advance top like 80 pixel and bottom like 80. Okay, click on publish. So our this part is done now and home page is fully completed. Now our next step we will create our inner pages. So let's start. So now we will make our inner pages. So first we go to our about us pages. So click here and click on edit page and then edit with Elementor, and from demo site we go to our about us page. Click here. So we need a breadcrumb like this. Okay, so from page settings we can choose here page layout Elementor full width, and from here we can choose this part. From here copy and paste. Go to style, and here we can choose our background one. Okay, or okay, we can this one sketch will be better I think, and go to here, go to style, and here background type we can choose background one and copy this part and paste, copy this part and paste, and remove this part. And from here we can go to here advanced padding like 60 pixel and bottom 60 pixel. So from here we can copy this text from here and paste here, and we can choose here text transform uppercase, and here we can copy this text from here. Now then part we have this about a section. So from here we can copy this part. So copy this part from here and paste here. Then we need our why section. So from here we can copy this part from here, so or will be more easier and faster. Then we have a testimonial section. So from this part we can copy this part from here and paste. So testimonial done, and finally this part is page done. So click on publish and preview pages. Okay, so our about us page done. Now go to our services page. Now click on edit page, then click on edit with Elementor, and from page settings we can choose here page layout to Elementor full width, and from here I can copy this part from here and paste. So go to our demo site services page, and first we have services text, and click here services, our services. Then we need a services section. So at the top we can copy this part from here and paste. Then testimonials, copy from here services, then testimonials, and then we have our this part at the footer bottom we have this part. So copy from here and paste. So click on publish. So our service page is done. Yes. Now go to our team section. So here our demo site, click on teams. So all this part is total 8 team members. So from here, okay, so this is our team page. Click on edit page, then edit with Elementor, and from here we can copy this part from here and paste. And from here page settings we can change to page layout to Elementor full width. Okay, fine. And we have copy from our team section from here, this part copy and paste. So at the bottom we can adjust our padding. So top 80, bottom 80. Okay, and we can duplicate this part 4 times. Okay, for now change image like 5. Then for now this will be like 6. Now this will be like 7, and finally this will be 8. For dummy purpose I think this okay now. And at the bottom we have this part. So from home page, and we can copy this section from here paste here. Okay, click on publish and preview changes. Yes, and from here our themes, we can copy this text from here and like meet our superheroes. Click here and add a break tag. Click on publish. Now this part is done. We can add more images. I think it's perfect. Okay, remove this page. Now click on testimonials and click on edit page. Now edit with Elementor, and from here we can copy this part. Refresh the page. Okay, page settings, we can choose page layout to Elementor full width. Paste here. Now click on testimonials and copy this text from here and paste. We can advance and increase padding like 140 pixel. Yes, and from here client reviews. Click here, client reviews, and here we have like this part. So from here home page we can copy our testimonial part. So from here we can paste here, and all columns should be 50%. So click here and choose like 50%. Okay, and copy from here and paste style, and duplicate 3 times to 1, 2 and 3. So our testimonial page is done, and footer as usual we have this part. So copy this part from here and paste. So we can say our testimonial page is also done. Click on publish, go to preview. Okay, done. Now click on contrast page and click on edit page, then edit with Elementor, and from here page settings we can choose page layout Elementor full width, and here copy and paste. So from here we can choose contact, and contact, and here contact us. So we need 2 columns part. So from here we can copy this part. Okay, and paste here. Yes, so we can remove this page and home page. So from here we can choose like contact and contrast. Okay, and from here we can just write contact, and here get in touch, and this text. Okay, fine. So we can just remove this part and remove this column. So from here we can search for like 33% and this for 67%. Okay, that's perfect. Now we have this icon box. So search for icon box. So will be our like simple yes stack. Go to style, element left, vertical middle. Okay, and go to icon size, and we have a primary color. We can source like background 2, and color like our primary color. Okay, size, and then here content, we can choose content title to our secondary, and font weight like 22 pixel, 24, and box size like icon spacing 12, content spacing 5 pixel, 5 or 10. Okay, and duplicate this in 2, 3, 4. Okay, now here like address, just click here, address, then this address will be this one. Click here, search for map icon, map. Now okay, and then we have this part, then email. So click here and search for envelope and just text email and paste here. Then we have this font, search for font icon and insert font, and here this phone number and paste here. There, this will be our mobile. Search for mobile and paste. Go to style and go to here content, like 22 pixel, text transform uppercase, 22. Okay, and this typography we can choose font weight 500. From box we can content spacing like 5 pixel. Copy from here, paste style and paste style. Okay, fine. Now we have to done our form part. So we already installed our W forms. So create add new form. Let's go, and here we can search for contact form, and blank form, and like we have like name, so search for name. Okay, and from advanced we can choose large. Then add field, we have like single line text. This will be like subject, and from here advanced and large. Then we have a like email, so search for email and click here. We can advanced and for large. Okay, and click save. Now refresh the page. So you can search for WP forms. So drag and drop here, and from this part, okay, select here contact form. So from here we can go to style and background color. We can change color to our background too. From advanced, padding like 25 pixel, and here we can choose go to style, and here border solid 1 pixel, and we will be primary. And go to here, click here and go to style, button style. We can choose our primary color. Okay, and text color will be our secondary color. So click publish and preview the page. Okay, so all this part is done now. Okay, so our full part is okay. We have to add this part. So our site is full done. So go to home page. So this is our home page. Then we have our about us page. Now we have services page. Now we have teams page. Then testimonials, and finally contact us. Perfect. Now we have to done our responsive part. So go to first elements key to elements go to header footer builder. Then edit with Elementor header footer. So first we check to our header. So here refresh the page, and first mobile version, and we can go to here style and alignment center. Perfect. And here go to our mobile menu settings, go to style, and here we can choose background. We can here white color, and wrapper, menu wrapper background, radius, menu item, menu submenu, indicator style. We can choose like white color, and indicator style, mobile menu logo, hamburger style. So we can choose background type classic and white color. Yes. Position right, and here we can choose here like percentage, we can choose like 70%. Okay, and this one we can choose from percentage like 30%. Okay, that's perfect. So this part is done. Click publish and tablet, and here we can choose this column from here. From percentage we can show 50%, and this will be 50%. From percentage we can source 50%. So our header part done, responsive. Now go to footer part. So from here we can go to table version, and here for here we can dynamic text like to show 4 items. Yes, it's okay. And here we can choose like percentage. From here we can choose 50% and copy this part from here, and 50%. This one will be 50%, and this will be our 50%. Okay, and here align item justify wrap, this one. Yes, now it's okay. And from here I think it's perfect, and just click here we can this one. Okay, now okay. Go to mobile, here is okay, perfect, and just click here we can go to center. Now publish. So our header footer is perfectly responsive now. Yes. Go to our home page. So click on our home, then about, contact us, and services, teams, testimonials. We can do all together. Will be work more easier. Refresh the page. Okay, so first we go to our mobile version. It's okay now, and click here. We can decrease font size. Current size 55. We can size for 35, and line height to pixel like 45. Okay, it's okay. Okay, so home page is perfect. Now go to tablet. I think it's okay now. Yes. Now here publish, about page, go to tablet. I think it's okay. Yes. Mobile, it's okay. I think contact is okay now. This is okay. From here, yes. From service tablets, it's okay. Yes. From mobile, it's perfect. And from testimonial, we can tablet. Yes, and mobile. Yes. From team section, from tablet, okay, and mobile, okay. Okay, that's fine. So our site is done now and fully okay now. So that's all for this today's video. I hopefully you enjoy it and like it, and don't forget to subscribe and share with others. Thank you very much. Stay with me, and more video coming soon.